அல்ஃபாபெட்டிக்கலில் மீனிங், பிக்சர்ஸ், தமிழ் மீனிங் எல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள். ஒரு டிக்ஷனரி உங்களுக்கு வேர்ட்ஸு, சென்டென்ஸு, அது ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டர்ஸ்க்கும் தனித்தனியாக போட்டிருக்கேன். கண்டிப்பாக பார்த்துட்டு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. ஏன்னா ஏவோட இது அந்த மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கேன். ஒரு லெட்டர்ஸ்ட்டுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு பிக்சர் மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பாருங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. பி baby, baby, and infant, குழந்தை. A baby is a very young child. Bouncing baby is not very old. Back, the hinder parts பின்புறம். Betty Bear is riding on horseback. Badge, a mark of sign of the officer or membership, தொழிலை குறிக்கும் சின்னம். Nice nurse wears a badge on her apron. Badger. A burrowing nocturnal animal. வளைக்கரடி, brock badger, lives on a horsey. Underground burrow, he has a white face with 2 black strips. Barbecue, open air grill for cooking meat. திறந்த வெளியில் இறைச்சி சுடுவதற்கான அடுப்பு. Big is cooking his dinner on a barbecue outside in the open air. Barrage, large flat bottomed boat, தட்டையான அடிப்புறமுள்ள பெரிய படகு. A barrage is a large flat bottomed boat that sail on river and inland waterways. Bark, the cry uttered by the dog, நாயின் குரைப்பு. Dicker dog has a loud bark. Barrel, cash peepoy, the metal tube of the gun is called barrel. துப்பாக்கி குழாய். Basket, a vessels made of blind twigs, கூடை. There is a basket on fruit on the table. Bat, a heavy stick, பந்தடிக்கும் மட்டை. When we play baseball, cricket and rounders, we stick it hit the ball with a wooden bat. Bathroom, place in which people bath, குளியலறை கட்டிடம். Look at butter penguin having a bubble bath in the bathroom. bed, hot, மெத்தை, jetty, goat is tired. So she has gone to bed to have a rest. Goat. Bee. Bee, a four-winged insect that collects honey. Teni, guess who is making honey? Collects honey. Teni, guess who is making honey? Yes, it is Busy Bee. Watch out, he can sting too. Beetle, insect, வண்டு. A beetle is a small insect with hair, wing cases. Before, in front of, முன்னால். You should wash your hands before you eat. Behave. Conduct oneself. நடந்து கொள். Don't behave like a fool. Behind, at the backside, பின்புறத்தில். Deer is hiding behind in the tree. Believe, record as true. நம்பு, I believe what you say. Bell. Provide with a bell. Money. A bell is hollow metal cup with a clapper that makes a ringing sound when we shake it. Belong. Be the property of, ஆஸ்தியாக இரு. These seeds belong to Billy Budgie. They are his property. Below. Beneath, in place. கீழே. The basement is below the ground floor. Belt. A griddle, அரைக்கச்சு. Chief chef wears a belt around his waist to fasten his trousers. Bench, a long seat. விசுப்பலகை. You may sit on the bench at your local park. Beneath, below, கீழே. Clarence cat is sitting beneath the table. Sleeping, Breath. Sleeping place is a train or a ship. கப்பல் அல்லது ரயிலில் தூங்குமிடம். On dear Henry Hedgehog has fallen asleep in caption berth. Best. Good is the highest degree. மிக உத்தமமான. Genetic good likes grass to eat best of all. Bet. A wager. பந்தயம். I will bet any antelope can run faster than Tilly tortoise. Bite. Says and cut with the teeth. Kadi. Digger dog does not bite. Bitter. Biting to the taste. கசப்பான. Bitter gourds are bitter. It is cold because there is a bitter wind. Black of dark color. கருப்பான. Kaka crow has black shiny feathers. Blackboard. A board painted black. கரும்பலகை. Tommy teachers uses chalk to write on the blackboard at school. Blunt. Not sharp. மழுங்கிய when something is blunt. It is not sharp. Blunt or dull. Knife needs to be sharpened to make it cut properly. Board and thin stripe of timber. பலகை. A board is a pieces of long, thin, flat wood. Boat. A small open floating vessels, usually படகு. Flipper fish has a black boat when he is tired of swimming around. He sunbathes in his boat. Body. The whole frame of the person, animal, தேகம், bright, bear has a strong, healthy body. Box. A cache for holding anything. Petty. Anti-highway hips heartstrings in a jewel's box. Boy. Boy. Lad பையன். Bouncing baby is a boy. He is a male child. Bracelet. bracelet, an ornament for the wrist. Kapu, a bracelet is piece of jewelry worn around the arm or wrist. Brain, the seat of the intellect and of sensation in the head. Moolai, you think and feel with your brain. Brake, part of the machine used to lessen its speed. Vegathadai, whoosh, many buses brakes are bad. She cannot stop. Branch at offshoot clay. Holy owl and squawkly squirrel are having a nap on tree branch. Brace on allow the copper and sign pithalai. Some musical instruments are made of the brass. Brace, a bright yellow metal. Brave, bold, தைரியமுள்ள. Policemen are brave too. Part of device by force. Muri and dear poor Spiky spider. How did they break his leg? Never mind, he has a 7 left. He won't miss one. Breakfast, first meal on the day. காலை உணவு, your favorite breakfast. Cereal in the box on the table. Breathe, the air drawn into and then expelled from the lungs. Swasam, your breath is the air you take in and let out. Bridge, a stretcher with a road raised across a river. Palam, bridge are used to cross over something. Brook, a small stream. Arivi, sometimes there are lots of fish in a brook. Brother, son of the same parents. Sagodaran, John and Jenny's brother. Brought, Konduva, PP of bring, Konduva. Look what Haritha has and brought for her chicks. Brown, of a color including 2 red or yellow. Betty beer goat is brown. Chocolates are usually brown in color. Bruise, crush by breathing. இடித்து நசுக்கு. Daniel Draft has banged his knee. He has a bruise on his knee. Brush, on instruments for removing dust. தூசு துடைக்கும் கருவி. You should always brush your teeth after eating food. Bucket, a vessels for drawing. Wally, Jack and Jill used bucket in carry water. Buckles, a metal instrument for fastening strips. Cookie, buckles. There are will be buckles on your belt. It is the type of fastener for joining two straps together. Bud. But the first shoot of a leaf or flower mottu. This is a rose bud. There are buds on the trees too. Bud Grieger. Billy is the Bud Grieger. Billy Bridge is a small, brightly colored bird. Build. Construction. Amaipu. Hobby horse needs a new stable. Bulldozer. Move earth powerfully with a bulldozer. மண்ணை அகற்றும் கருவி. Bully. Bulldozer is a strong tractor with a big blade in front. He whistles soil and other things. Bun. Sweet bread. இனிப்பான ரொட்டி. Would you like taste on of Mother Goose buns? Bunch. A collection of things naturally growing together. Kottu. Mickey Monkey has a bunch of branches in his hand. Bundle. Number of things brown pound into one. Mutai. Broke Banjer collect sticks and ties them into bundle with a piece of string. Burn. Set on fire. Airy. If you stand too near the fire, it will burn you. Bury. Enclose underground. Pudai. Digger dog like a bury his bones. He digs a hole in the garden and hits them. Bus. On omnibus. பெரிய வண்டி. People ride a bus. Bush. Sharp with branches. Pudar. Bush is a small low tree. Roses grow on bush. Busy. Fully employed. வேலையாயிருக்கிற. She is always working. She is busy all day long. But still ஆனாலும் Daffy Duck's friend loves swim the pond. But Clarence cat does not like the water.